Chapter 6 Test. Choose the correct answer. Mr. Connell's car weighs 1.5 tons. What is the weight of his car in pounds? A. 2,000 pounds. B. 2,500 pounds. C. 3,000 pounds. D. 4,000 pounds. Number 2. Jason made 36 pints of lemonade for the class picnic. How many gallons of lemonade did he make? A. 9 gallons. B. 6 gallons. C. 4.5 gallons. Or D. 2.5 gallons. Number 3. Sophia knitted a rectangular afghan that has an area of 24 square feet. If the length of the afghan is 2 yards, what is the width in feet? A. 12 feet. B. 8 feet. C. 6 feet. D. 4 feet. Number 4. April is making necklaces using beads that are 6 millimeters in diameter. What is the diameter of each bead in centimeters? A. 0.6 centimeter. B. 0.06 centimeter. C. 0.006 centimeter. Or D. 0.0006 centimeter. Number 5. Chandel filled her bathtub with 15 gallons of water. How many pints of water did she put in the tub? A. 30 pints. B. 60 pints. C. 90 pints. Or D. 120 pints. Number 6. Suni is riding a raft down a stream that is moving at a rate of 75 feet per minute. How far downstream does she travel in 5 minutes? A. 750 feet. B. 375 feet. C. 225 feet. Or D. 15 feet. Number 7. Adam's porch is 8 yards long. What is the length of his porch in inches? Is it A. 24 inches, B. 96 inches, C. 288 inches, or D. 384 inches? Number 8. How many grams are equivalent to 102 milligrams? A. 10.2 grams. B. 1.02 grams. C. 0.102 gram. Or D. 0.0102 gram. Number 9. The table shows data from 4 cyclists during a training session. The training session, you have a column of cyclists, distance, start time, and end time. If Raul rode at a constant speed, how fast did he travel in miles per hour? A. 12.5 miles per hour. B. 12 3/4 miles per hour. C. 13 miles per hour. Or D. 14.5 miles per hour. Number 10. A house painter uses 6 gallons of paint per day. How many gallons does the painter use in a 5-day work week? Number 11. Chow ran a race that was 5 kilometers long. What was the length of the race in meters? A. 0.005 meter. B. 50 meters. C. 500 meters. Or D. 5,000 meters. Number 12. Edmund has a pitcher that holds 2 quarts of liquid. How many cups can the pitcher hold? A, 4 cups, B, 8 cups, C, 16 cups, and D, 32 cups. Number 13. A sprinting cheetah covered a distance of 518 meters in 18.5 seconds. If the cheetah ran at a constant speed, how fast was it running? A, 30 meters per second, B, 28 meters per second, C, 25 meters per second, or D, 22 meters per second. Number 14. A rectangular football field, including both end zones, is 120 yards long. The field has an area of 57,600 square feet. What is the width of the field in feet? I'm going to read that again. Number 14. A rectangular football field, including both end zones, is 120 yards long. The field has an area of 57,600 square feet. What is the width of the field in feet? A, 480 feet, B, 360 feet, C, 160 feet, or D, 53 feet. Number 15. Lonnie has a box of cereal with a mass of 347 grams. What is the mass in centigrams? A, 3.47 centigrams, B, 34.7 centigrams, C, 3,470 centigrams, D, 34,700 centigrams. Number 16. Mrs. Ruiz bought 6 2-liter bottles of juice. How many deciliters of juice did she buy? A, 0.012 deciliter, B, 0.12 deciliter, C, 1.2 deciliters, or D, 120 deciliters. Number 17. Tamika drove 142.5 miles at an average rate of 57 miles per hour. For how many hours was Tamika driving? A, 1 hour, B, 1.5 hours, C, 2.5 hours, or D, 2.5 hours. Number 18. The distance from Caleb's house to his school is 1.5 miles. What is the distance in feet? A, 1,760 feet, B, 2,640 feet, C, 5,280 feet, or D, 7,920 feet. Number 19. Lucy's car gets 32 miles per gallon of gasoline. How many miles can she drive on 4 gallons of gas? A, 256 miles, B, 128 miles, C, 24 miles, or D, 8 miles. Number 20. Lee is mailing a package. The package weighs 35 ounces. What is the weight of the package in pounds and ounces? A, 2 pounds, B, 2 pounds and 3 ounces, C, 3 pounds and 5 ounces, D, 4 pounds and 3 ounces. Number 21. The table shows data from a school exercise program. The exercise program information, you have a column of activity, the target rate in kilometers per hour, your start time, and your end time. The activities are walking, jogging, and biking. If Jack bikes at the target rate, how far will he travel? A, 43.875 kilometers, B, 10.625 kilometers, C, 5.25 kilometers, or D, 2.25 kilometers. Number 22. Mr. Rogers used 150 centiliters of water to fill a vase. How many milliliters of water did he use to fill the vase? A. 0.15 milliliter. B. 1.5 milliliters. C. 15 milliliters. Or D. 1,500 milliliters. Number 23. Which of the following has the greatest mass? A. 7.4 kilograms. B. 7.4 decigrams. C. 7.4 centigrams. Or D. 7.4 hectograms. Number 24. An elephant's heart beats 28 times per minute. How many times does its heart rate beat in half an hour? A. 14, B. 56, C. 392, or D. 840. Number 25. The width of a standard pencil is 0.7 centimeter. What is the width in millimeters? What is the width in millimeters? A. 7 millimeters, B. 70 millimeters, C. 700 millimeters, or D. 7,000 millimeters. This concludes Chapter 6 test.